Hi my dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be trading on the OTC exchange. That means that today I'll be carrying out mainly technical analysis because fundamental analysis is not applicable to this OTC exchange. Therefore I'll be looking at how price is approaching all the levels on the market and other patterns on the market before opening a trade. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see how I work out several situations using the OTC currency pairs. So let me get started. So here I already see the first entry point and I will explain it to you. Here you can see there was a good confident rising trend. At the same time there is a certain level of resistance at the top. At the moment the price has reached this level and is moving in the trading zone. At the same time, at the moment, the price is falling. So I'm going to suggest in the situation to open the deal for 1 minute at a decrease with a greater probability that in the near future, the price will move down. This is the first touch of the level in a long time. This means that with a greater probability, the price will move in the trading zone and there may be a decline. There will be a correctional movement here. And it's on this downward movement that I'll try and earn very good profit. And as a rule, 1 minute is quite enough time for this. And at the moment, I can see that red candlesticks are continuing to form. So let me watch this price and see the results. Well friends, this was not bad at all. You can see that there was a drop and I got a very good profit. 1 minute was quite enough time for me here and this is a very good start. Let me continue. Here at the top we have the resistance level. After the first touch of the level, the drop went down and after the drop, the price turned around and again approaches my level. At the moment you can see some kind of compression of the resistance level. At the same time, I can see that the main price minimums are becoming higher. This means that the price has a good potential for an increase. So here I'm going to suggest to open a deal for 2 minutes for an increase in the rising trend. There's a greater probability that the price will continue to move to the level, and on this rising movement I'll try and earn very good profit. At the same time, I use 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the trades that might happen. But let me wait for the results. So if you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat. There's a link under the video. It has a link to my personal chat. Remember the code word MoneyTeam and I'll add you to this private chat so you can learn more about binary trading and also use my trading signals. So this is awesome friends. As you can see, this trade worked out quite well and the time was quite enough. I was able to make very good profit from this trade. Let me continue and find more situations. So here you can see at the top we have the resistance level. At the same time you can see that after the rollback, the price has come to the level and at the moment there's some kind of pause. In this situation, I am going to open a deal for 1 minute for an increase because there's a greater probability in the near future this level will be broken through. Since I can see the price has an excellent potential, the price has moved up quite confidently and at the moment you are seeing a very impulsive green candlestick that was formed. It went beyond this level and as a rule in such situations 1 minute is quite enough for this, and it's at this ascending movement and at the breakthrough of the level that I'll try and earn very good profit. Let me wait for the results. This is quite awesome friends. You can see the price continued to move up. That is the level of resistance was finally broken through and here I'm getting very good profit. You can see the price has an excellent potential for an increase here and as you can see 1 minute was quite enough for me and everything is going well. Let me continue trading. So here at the bottom we have the support level. At the same time I can see that at the moment there was a confident downward movement. There was also the false breakout of the level after which there was a rollback up. The price again approached the level and is already beginning to go beyond its limits. This means that with a greater probability, this level will be broken through and here I'm going to open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease because probably in the near future, the price will continue to move down and perhaps I'll get into the impulsive movement of the price down to the very breaking through of the level. And in such situations, 1 minute is usually quite enough and at the moment I'm seeing very confident impulsive red candlesticks that are beginning to form. So I'm going to observe the price and wait for the results. Don't forget to support my channel by liking the video, sharing this video and of course subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. This This is really awesome, friends. As you can see, I was able to earn and make very good profit from this trade. So the time was enough for this trade. I've made very good profit. Let me continue and consider more working situations. So here at the top, I can see the resistance level, and also I can see after the touching the level, there was a drop down, and after the drop down, the price turned around and again approached the level. Here I'll open a deal for 2 minutes for an increase. With a greater probability the price will continue to the level. Since I can see the price has an excellent potential for an increase, you can see the price moves up quite confidently, and it's at this rising movement I'll try and earn very good profit for myself. So let me observe the price and wait for the results. This is quite excellent, friends. You can see the price continue to move up to this level, and here I got a very good profit. 2 minutes was quite enough time for me here, and you can see the price really has a good potential for an increase. Let me continue and find more situations. So here I can see that at the bottom we have the support level. At the same time, I can see there was a good confident descending trend, and also after the rollback at the moment, you can see the price is approaching the level again and confident candlesticks are forming. So in this situation, I'm going to open a deal literally for 1 minute for a decrease. It's quite possible that in the near future this level will be broken through, and perhaps I'll also find myself in the very impulsive movement of the price down at the very moment of the breaking through of the level, and it's on this downward trend that I'll try and earn very good profit. Let me watch the price and wait for the results. This is excellent, friends. The price continued to move down and the support level was indeed broken through, and we ourselves just managed to earn on the breaking through of the support level. And as you can see, the situations work out quite perfectly. So I'm going to continue my trading and look at the next situation on the market. So here I can see the support level, and also at the moment there's a breakthrough of the level. The price is confidently moving down. Here I'm going to suggest to open a deal for 1 minute at a decrease according to the current trend, because in the near future I think the price will continue to move down, and you can see the price has an excellent potential for a decrease already. And also recently you can see that fairly confident red candlesticks have been formed, and as a rule in such situations 1 minute is quite enough time for this, and I'm hoping that with this time I'll be able to work out the situation and make very good profit. Let me wait for the end of this trade. Well, friends, this is not bad at all. You can see the price continue to move down. That is, the support level was completely broken through, and I managed to get very good profit. Meanwhile, I have almost $3,500 in my deposit. I suggest to find one last trade today. So here I can see, friends, that at the bottom we have the support level, and also you can see that there was a confident downward movement while the price moves in a wave. I can see that the main price highs are getting lower, and right now the price has gone up, and after the rollback there was a kind of a down movement and red candlesticks began to form again. Here I'm going to open a deal with a margin of 5 minutes for a decrease in the current trend, since you can see that the next price minimum has also been updated and is lower than the previous one, and this means that the price will continue to move down with a greater probability, and it's on this downward movement that we'll try and earn very good profit ourselves. And at the same time I took 5 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possibility of a trade or rollback, since you can see there is a lot of space before the support level, and I think that 5 minutes will be enough time for this, and the price will continue to move to the level, and it's also quite possible that it will be broken through quite soon. So let me look at this price and see what will happen next. This is awesome, friends. As you can see, I managed to predict further price movement correctly again, and 5 minutes was enough time for this trade. You can see, meanwhile, I already have more than $6,000 on my deposit. I suggest to finish this trade, fix this profit, and leave the market. So the trades today really worked out quite well using the OTC currency pairs. As you saw, trading on OTC currency pairs is just like trading with normal currency pairs. The only difference is that they are only available at night and also during the weekend. That's the only difference, but you can also apply technical analysis to them and also the help of the indicators, because it's quite applicable to them as well. So if you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat. There's a link under the video. It has a link to my personal chat. Remember the code word money team, and I'll add you to this private chat so you can learn more about binary trading and also use my trading signals. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking the video, sharing this video, and of course subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I wish you good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.